Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app keeps logging you out automatically, it is often caused by security or session issues. First, go to the App Store, search for ING Bank, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then go to your Settings app, go to General, then scroll down, go to Date and Time, and make sure that your date and time is set to automatically. After that, disable battery saver or power optimization for the ING app, as this can force logout. If biometric login is enabled, try turning it off temporarily and sign in using your password. Avoid switching between multiple networks while using the app. If the issue continues, reinstall the app and log in again to reset the session, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.